Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some baby meatballs. Delicious, one of my favorites. Very easy to make. I use a very basic recipe, quick and easy. It's great for spaghetti meatballs, sweet and sour meatballs, Swedish meatballs, hors d'oeuvre style meatballs. They're good for all that. They taste delicious, kids love them, adults love them. And truth of the matter is it's just quick and easy. So over here I have some ground beef. It's what they call 80-20, meaning 20% fat. I have 2 small onions diced very fine, and I think it's 2 tablespoons of garlic. I'll actually list all the ingredients down below. I have it all written down. So I'm going to dump that in. With some large eggs, which I'm going to put in. I have some fresh parsley, which I'm going to chop fresh parsley, of course. I have some flavored breadcrumbs. The salt, pepper, dry basil, dry oregano, and some extra granulated garlic. I'm going to put all that in. And we're going to mix this up really well. Meat's a little on the cold side, but that's all right. Kind of wish I had a bigger bowl, but I'll make it work. Anyway, what we want to do is we're going to mix this up really well, and then we're going to scoop them out and bake them. And they bake in probably about 20 minutes or so, maybe 25 minutes. Of course, I'm always wrong with my estimates on time, but we'll see how we do. My bowl keeps sliding. You can saute the onions and garlic first if you really want to. To me, these taste great just the way they are. You want to try not to mix chopped meat too much. It actually makes it a little on the tough side, but you do want to make sure that everything is kind of mixed through and through. I'm sure some of you are laughing watching me fight with this. Get all the breadcrumbs? Yes, I finally got all the breadcrumbs. Okay, so one more minute and we're done mixing. And that should be good. Alright. So once our meatballs are all mixed, I'm going to use it's probably like a 1 ounce scoop, I'm guessing. And I'm just going to scoop them out. I don't go to the trouble of making them round. They're fine like this. They can actually be right next to each other on a sheet pan because they actually shrink. What happens is some of the fat from the meat actually dissipates a little bit, and you'll see when I take it out of the oven, there'll be a nice layer of fat on the bottom. And so they actually shrink. They don't rise at all. Basically, I'm just going to do this all and show you what it looks like when I'm done. So I am done scooping my meatballs, and I'm just going to put them in the oven. I'm not going to actually give it time because recently whenever I give it time, it never works out. Anyway, I will show you what they look like when they come out, and I'll tell you how long they were in for. So a couple things. I'm putting the meatballs in at 375 degrees, and hopefully they'll be, I'm not even going to guess the time at this point. The other thing is, before I said 80-20 chopped meat, that's 100% pure ground beef. Some people do mix pork into their meatballs. I never do. I just use, like I said, 100% ground beef. So anyway, I just want to let you know. See you in a bit. So our meatballs were in the oven for right about 25 minutes, and you can tell that they're done in 2 different ways. One, when you press on it, like it kind of springs back a little bit, but overall it's firm. So that's the first thing that says it's done. The other thing is, we're going to take one, we'll just cut it open. If you look at it, there's absolutely no red in it. It looks like it's fully cooked. So, a little hot. Really, really, really good. I'm gonna be putting this with some spaghetti and some sauce, which I'm making, and I'll show you what it looks like. See you in a few. Thank you. So our sauce is done, our meatballs are done, and I cooked off some spaghetti, and now my dinner is served, so I am happy. Anyway, I just want to show you what the plate looks like, and gonna taste it. Already had about 3 meatballs, so I know they're good, but we'll do it this way anyway. Really, really, really good. The when I finish the sauce with just a touch of sugar and a touch of lemon and some basil, it just brings up the sauce to like a whole new level. And it's just like a really great sauce. It's a nice thick sauce with a great flavor. So you'll like this recipe. And anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Please leave your comments below. Have a great day, everyone. Be well. I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye-bye.